Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix emergency calls only on Android. So what does happen is sometimes your phone does not allow you to do calls on anywhere or to anyone, but they are allowing you just to do emergency calls. So I'm gonna tell you the several steps in order to fix this issue. So for that, you have to just simply open up your phone settings. So after opening up your phone setting, you have to just simply first step is to make sure that your connection, you have to just simply go to your SIM card settings and your network settings. So after opening up your network settings, you guys can just simply make sure that all the settings are accurately done. So in order to check the SIM settings, you have to just simply search on the phone settings, and you have to just simply search for SIM, and you will be able to see all of the phone settings, and you have to just simply make sure that all settings are working correctly. So after making sure that your issue is still not resolved, you have to just simply go to reset. So I will recommend you to reset all your device. So you have to simply click on factory reset. After clicking on factory reset, you have to simply click on erase all data. So what it can do is it can basically renew the whole mobile software. So in this way, it can remove all the bugs, errors, issues in the mobile phone, and it will renew your function, and your issue will be resolved. If your issue is still not resolved, then it comes to hardware. So for that, you have to just simply remove and reinsert your SIM card, because sometimes SIM card is not working properly. You have to just simply reinsert that, and after that it will work properly. So after reinserting your SIM card, your issue is still not resolved, then you have to just simply go to your settings, and in the setting you have to just simply again search for software update. So after, you have to just simply search for software update or any updates, system updates. So you have to just simply click on update. So I'm just clicking on that, and you have to just simply update your system by just system updater. So after that, you have to just simply click system update, and your issue will be resolved in this way. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.